Hello guys from Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here. Did you see this set? It's not mine, of course. It's from one of my followers from YouTube invited me to her house and we're gonna make pizza together. Yes, I come to your backyard if you have something like this and I will make the pizza with you. A dream come true from Iacopelli. Actually, this is my dream house. Hopefully one day I will make this happen. I mean, take a look of this setup. Take a look. They have a wood burning oven and gas. They have a counter with marble. They have a sink. They have everything and a barbecue to cook our ingredients. So today, I'm going to show you some specialty pizzas. So make sure if you have a pizza oven in your house, you can contact me and we can maybe arrange something and I come to you. Yes. Just email me right here. So first thing to do is we are warming up this amazing oven. With wood and gas. Amazing. This is actually from Forno Bravo. We are in Los Angeles here. Of course, I'm getting ready with my amazing kit from Gmeta because when I come to your house, I need to be with my own tools. We have my pills with my name on it, and then we got my pill right here. I have to touch this one for the pizzas because you gotta have one pill to put the pizza in the oven and one pill to take out the pizza. You need to be professional with Maestro Iacopelli. So we got everything what we need. Now we can close it. My kit done. This is when I travel. I use this baby. When I travel, I use this amazing suitcase with. There we go. So make sure if it's in the USA, I can prepare. Okay guys, now we are getting ready. So the oven is getting really hot now. You can check it out here. It's amazing temperature right there. It's about 800 and we are ready. Now we're gonna set up the wood on the left side. Lucky I show in the other video how to clean. I'm gonna do it this one. In a little bit I'm gonna keep the ash on the floor. This way the floor gets hot a little bit. And of course we have our own. We have a. And we have an amazing line today to make some specialty. Oops. We have some special pizzas. Look at this. Look at the line. We made some homemade. Organic purple potato that we're gonna use for our pizza. We got some roasted fennel, organic. We got Parmesan cheese, pepper, basil. We got some sausage, homemade of course from me, pepperoni, some roasted mushroom, and we got basil, pesto, and of course we got the dough, and we got our own sauce. Let me taste it. Amazing. Of course we got we're gonna put the pizzas right here. We got some chili and we got organic basil and olive oil from Puglia. Done. Now we're gonna set up the oven first. Wow, the oven is hot, so we're gonna almost done to cleaning. So now that we place all the wood on one side, everything. Like this, make sure there's nothing on the side here. And now we can clean it up. Look at that, right? Oh. We actually use this time a little towel. This way we can. Of course, now we're gonna test the oven because this is the first time ever that we are making pizza in this oven. So we have to test it with one dough. Just like that. I'm gonna stretch it. This is a dough test. test the oven if it's good. Gonna place it in the center, and this way we test if it's the temperature is good or not good, or if it's hot or not hot. See, the oven is a little hot, so we're gonna cool it down. Easy to cool it down. Now take a look at this video. We don't move it now. At this point, we touch it from here and we move it around. Right here. And slowly take the dough and we go around. There we go. It's not that hot, so this way we are cooling down the oven. Now we flip it over. The oven is ready. So of course we throw it away. So Nati guys, because it's the first time that we are cooking a pizza in this oven, we had to test it. So this is a test of pizza. Also we cool it down a little bit the oven, and then we give it a little bit of dough texture on the bottom of the oven. So now we're gonna throw away this one, and we are ready to make the special pizza. So I'm gonna show you one really special one. Take off all the flour, put it down. For this pizza, we are going to use a little bit of organic purple potato made in-house. This little cream. Oh, amazing. Take a look. Purple potato. Homemade cream. Then I put a little bit of pepper. Then I put a little bit of mozzarella, not too much because it gets too heavier. Then we're gonna put a little bit of homemade sausage. We will break it like that because like this, it gets a little bit different the flavor. There we go. Nice. There we go. And final touch, a little bit, not too much of roasted portobello mushroom. We roasted with a little bit of rosemary, and now we're ready to go in the oven. Amazing. Purple. Wow guys, amazing. Look at this. So we're gonna cut it and see the inside of the crust, always like in my videos. Amazing. I mean, take a look. Take a look. The potato, it's amazing. It's time to taste. And then, it's time to taste now, and then we're gonna start to serve the customers. Hold on. We forgot something, the basil. The basil, very important. Basil, a little bit of olive oil, and voila, now it's complete. Wow, let's taste it. Nice cooked. For the this is the first ever pizza of this Forno Bravo. Amazing. Wow. Guys, nothing. What I can say. Enjoy making the pizzas. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna finish all this pizza. Please guys, take a time to thumbs up, subscribe from Iacopelli, and see you at the next one. And please, for inquire, check out my description. Ciao.